So, in front of me I have Realme Watch 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and then you can tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, find the option called sounds and vibration and tap on it, and here you should see the option called vibration intensity. Select it, and as you can see we have three intensity levels. We have strong, moderate and weak. Select the one you like. Basically you can select them to preview them. Okay, select the one you like by tapping on it, and then tap on the check mark to confirm and apply it. And once you're done, you can press the side button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.